Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a very healthy millet recipe which is a perfect filling and nutrient dense breakfast for the whole family. This methi Uthappam is made with the millet dosa batter which I have already shared on my channel, and it's a perfect breakfast for those with diabetes, PCOS and for weight loss. And guys, also note that the addition of desi ghee is a must for nutrient absorption. I have already shared the health benefits of desi ghee and also how to make desi ghee at home. All the links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. And guys, I wanted to share a little happiness with you. My Amma lives in Trivandrum, which is the capital of Kerala, and is around 400 kilometers away from the place I live. So when she missed me, she stitched these beautiful flowers on my dupatta. I love wearing dupattas and has been using them since my late teenage days. And the roses you see, she stitched it from the very beginning. When I first saw it, at first I thought she might have bought small rose embroidery cuttings and stitched into the dupatta. But when I asked her, she said she made the roses with the embroidery thread and stitched it onto the dupatta. So these are very beautiful to see. I really don't know whether the camera is doing justice. And on this red dupatta, she did this embroidery work all over the dupatta. I just can't even imagine her patience at her age in creating this beautiful work for me with her hands. If you're watching this video, thank you Amma, and I love you so much. To make methi Uthappam, I am using fresh methi leaves. Now into a bowl, I have already added 3 sliced shallots and 1 chopped green chilli. You can increase or decrease green chilli to suit your taste. I am adding in a small handful of roughly chopped fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves are in season right now, so I am using it. You can use palak leaves or any other green leafy vegetable instead. Adding the required amount of millet dosa batter, about 2 to 3 ladleful of the dosa batter. Dosa batter has salt already, so I am not adding in any extra salt. I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder. Give this all a mix. Grease an iron tawa with gingerly oil. Once the dosa tawa is heated, add in the dosa batter and lightly spread it out. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 30 to 40 seconds. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee for better nutrient absorption and flip it over. Once done, remove to a plate and serve it with homemade achar. Quick and easy methi Uthappam is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense methi Uthappam and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.